Trump nanampal ng taripa. Pinatawan ni US President Donald Trump ang Pilipinas ng 17% tariff sa lahat ng ating export papuntang United States of America bilang response sa matagal ng 34% tariff na ating isinampa sa lahat ng export galing sa US a long time ago. Ideklara ni POTUS Donald Trump na isang Liberation Day ang kanyang paglagda ng blanket at baseline tariffs of around 10% pataas sa lahat ng bansang nag-i-impose ng taripa laban sa US. Ang tawag doon ay retaliatory or matching-matchy tariffs. I don't fucking know. Why are you asking me? I'm not an economist, so.
And for these reasons, starting tomorrow, the United States will implement reciprocal tariffs on other nations. It's been a long time since we even thought of that. We used to think about it a lot. We didn't think about it for many decades, and you see what's happened. For nations that treat us badly, we will calculate the combined rate of all their tariffs, non-monetary barriers, and other forms of cheating. And because we are being very kind, we're kind people, very kind. In today's action, we are finally going to be able to make America great again, greater. But we will charge them approximately half of what they are and have been charging us. So the tariffs will be not a full reciprocal. I could have done that, yes, but it would have been tough for a lot of countries who didn't want to do that.
So ano nga ba ang tariffs at bakit big deal o hindi ang mga taripang ipinapatong ng US sa mga produktong Pilipino? Ang mga tariffs o taripa ay isang uri ng economic weapon na ginagamit ng isang bansa para protektahan ang mga industriya sa kanilang bansa na matatalo ng mga imports dahil sa, maraming dahilan tulad ng mas mababa ang presyo kapag in-import sa paggawa leading to a cheaper product. So, anong mali doon, di ba? I mean, pinoprotektahan lang ng US ni Trump ang mga produktong Amerikano, ang manufacturing ng kanilang bansa. Go Trump 2028, 2032 at 2036. Di ba? Pero bakit bumaba ang stock market ng Amerika? Bakit parang bumagsak or bumabagsak ang ekonomiya nila? Bakit hindi pa rin bumababa ang presyo ng itlog sa merkado? Diba, yun yung pinaka-sentro ng kanyang plataforma na ibaba ang presyo ng mga grocery goods.